How to create a Snapchat account. First, you install Snapchat app and then go to Snapchat app. You see this option sign up. Click on this and click on continue. First you allow, and then click on allow. Then you write first name and last name. Then click on sign up. You choose birthday. Click on continue. Your username. If you change username, then click on this. I continue. Then write password. Your password should be at least 8 character and strong password. Click on continue. Then if you want to create a Snapchat account with email, then write email. Then click on continue. Allow Snapchat to access your camera and local storage to take photos and videos, detect screenshot and more. Turn on this option. Allow and allow and allow. Your Snapchat account was successfully created. Hopefully this video helped for you. Thanks for watching.